The idea was from my son. Yeah. My son said, he was gonna surprise me for my birthday with a Porsche 928.
Hi folks, and welcome to Center Lane. I'm Bruce Hitchin. Well, today is a bit bittersweet for me because this is the day that I'm selling my 928. I know that people would have thought, oh, I'll never sell that 928. In fact, in the past I've said this is my forever car and I'll never sell it. But a fellow by the name of Max M reached out to me from California. He had seen my video episodes and decided that he wanted to make me an offer on the car, and I decided to sell it. So I've had the car for 8 years. It's a beauty. I'm sure I'm gonna shed a few tears today when I see this car drive away, but it's going to the right owner, and in fact, I had a chance to speak with Max.
I'm from Korea. I was a teenager, but I grew up in LA. Growing up 80s, it was like my dream car because one of my friends' dad had a 928. That was the first time I ever saw that car. It was early 80s. So it was like, wow, what kind of car was it?
Max didn't think he would ever be able to own a 928, but the thought of having one was never far from his mind.
My son took me to a furniture store. The furniture store owner has Porsche 928. I look at the car, I said, oh my goodness, this Porsche 928. And my son looked at me, Dad, you like this? I said, yeah, I love this car, but I never thought that I was like, buy one, own one, but this is amazing.
Growing up, Max's mom instilled a strong work ethic in Max.
Yeah, she's my hero. She came to the United States with 3 kids, me with my 2 sisters. She sacrificed her life for her kid. My mom always taught me how you have to live your life. Respect others and be humble no matter what you have, how much money you have. She said, money will come to you. You don't chase money. You just do your best every single day.
Doing well is exactly what Max has done. He's built a successful business and has a loving family.
My son said, he was gonna surprise me for my birthday with a Porsche 928. So I watched most of YouTube related to 928. One day I saw Bruce 928. Then I said, oh, wait a minute. He's doing exactly what I was gonna do. So I started looking at a YouTube channel. Then you had a series. I watched the whole thing, 1 through 10. And over again, I said, wow. Oh, I knew you were gonna sell it. It was not for sale. The reason I reached out to you, I said one day he might consider selling his car. Then I wanted to be the first one. I don't know, one day is next year, 5 years, I could wait because that's the car I really wanted to. First thing, when you reach out to me after getting my email, I was like, yeah, this is a sign. This is a sign. One day, I'm gonna have his car, which is my dream car. I ask you, so before we talk about more about the car, I like to meet you in person. Then you say, okay. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna fly to Vancouver right away. The next week, I flew to Vancouver. I came here to see you, and you came out with your wife with a car. We didn't talk that much about car, right? We didn't negotiate. We didn't talk about the money. We talked about family. Your son got married, and I talked about my son. It was all about the family thing. So to me, family value is more than anything else. I knew that car has a lot of story. I want to buy the story. I'm not buying a car, I'm buying a story. So to me, my dream came true. It's not just I'm getting my dream car, plus I'm getting all the memories and story from him. I tell all my employees, you are not working for me, you are working for yourself. Do your best. I tell my son the same thing. You're doing your best, whatever you do, one day you're gonna get the fruit. That fruit tastes so sweet. This Porsche, I will keep it forever. Maybe if my son one day, if he want to take over, of course, but I'm not gonna sell it. So far, I'm pretty sure you did the same thing. You want play that car was not for sale. Yeah, so I'll keep it forever until I find somebody just like me or you.